Good morning all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video we will continue our chapter web application of class 10th. So let's move on to our new topic, that is internet. The full form of internet is international network. Internet is the interconnection of a large number of computer networks all over the world that can share information with one another. It can also be called as network of networks. Let's understand how to access internet. For accessing the internet, we need an internet connection. Internet connections are provided by internet service providers. So let's understand the meaning of internet service provider. Internet service providers are the companies that provide internet service to us, such as BSNL, Airtel, Vodafone, etc. BSNL stands for Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. ISP provides a bridge between all the other computers in the world which are a part of the internet and your computer. It means ISP works like a bridge between all the computers in the world which are part of the internet and your computer and provide the internet services to us. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's move on to our new topic, that is type of internet connectivity. So there are basically two types of internet connectivity. Number one, wired connectivity, and number two, wireless connectivity. Wired connectivity are those connectivity in which wires are used, and wireless connectivities are those connectivity in which wires are not used. Wired connectivity is further divided into three categories. Number one, dial-up connection. Number two, DSL connection. And number three, cable modem connection. Similarly, wireless connectivity is further divided into three categories. Number one, 3G and 4G connection. Number two, Wi-Fi connection. And number three, mobile broadband connection. So let's understand all the types of internet connection one by one. Number one, dial-up connection. Dial-up connection is a slower connection but still used by many people. There are some requirements for establishing the dial-up connection. Number one, a modem, external or internal. Number two, a dedicated telephone line. Number three, a computer to connect to the internet with a proper software. And number four, an internet service provider that provide internet services to us. Let's see the working of dial-up connection. A modem, either internal or external, connects to the internet after the computer dials a phone number. In this connection, you have to remember that if you are using only one telephone connection, then you can either make phone calls or connect to the internet at a time. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's move on to our next internet connectivity option, that is DSL connection. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. In this connection, users get a high-speed bandwidth connection from a phone line jack on an existing telephone network. Here we are using a term bandwidth connection, so let's understand the meaning of bandwidth. Bandwidth refers to the amount of data that a signal can carry. In this connection, you can use the internet while making phone calls. So this is the main difference between the dial-up connection and the DSL connection, that in dial-up connection you can either make a phone call or use the internet at a time, but in DSL connection you can use the internet while making phone calls. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's move on to the new internet connectivity option, that is cable modem connection. Cable network provides an internet connection through a cable modem and operates over cable television lines. The speed of this connection is quite fast. This connection has two outlets, one for the television and the other for the computer. So these were the main type of wired internet connectivity. So now understand the type of the wireless internet connectivity. Number one, 3G and 4G connection. Let's see the difference between 3G and 4G connection. 3G stands for third generation technology, while 4G stands for fourth generation technology. It is also called NGN, that is next generation network. HSDPA, High Speed Downlink Packet Access, is a 3G mobile telephony protocol that allows higher data transfer speeds and capacity, while LTE, Long Term Evaluation, is a 4G mobile telephony protocol that increased network capacity and speed to mobile device users. Maximum download rate of 3G technology is 21 Mbps, while the maximum download rate of 4G technology is 100 Mbps. Mbps stands for megabit per second. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's move on. The next type of wireless connection, that is Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is a popular technology that allows an electronic device such as computer or mobile phone to exchange data wirelessly over a network. It provides high-speed internet access and is widely used in offices, homes, hotels, companies, colleges, etc. to create wireless network. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's move on to the next type of wireless connection, that is mobile broadband connection. This is a high-speed internet connection using an internet dongle. It is also referred to as a USB modem, an internet stick, or USB mobile broadband stick. It is like a flash drive or pen drive and can be simply plugged into the USB port. It is automatically installed when it is plugged into the laptop or PC and allow us to access the internet. So these all are the types of the wireless internet connectivity. So let's understand how the data is transferred on the internet. Data travels across the internet in the form of packets. Each packet can carry a fixed number of bytes. These packets are addressed with a header and footer. The header and footer contain the information about the data source and destination. Different packets from the same source may not follow the same path. Packets travel from one machine to another until they reach their destination. As the packets arrive, the computer receiving the data assembles them like a puzzle and recreating the data. So all these steps are followed when the data are transferred on the internet. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.